How to do, make a backyard waterfall. Listen to the soothing sounds of rushing water in your backyard and complement your landscape. Instructions. Quick tip: for safety, hire a licensed electrician to install the electric components. Step 1: add water to your pond and waterfall. Don't forget a dechlorinating agent for your ecosystem. Put in plants and, once the ecosystem is established, add fish and relax by your own little oasis. Did you know, the world's highest waterfall is Angel Falls in Venezuela, with a drop of 3,212 feet. Step 2: set up the pumps, filter, skimmer, and lighting for the water feature. Then pile rocks and gravel, slowly building up height. Step 3: dig out your pond area, keeping the excess soil for landscaping use. Cover the pond area with sand, rake it smooth, and carefully place the liner over the exposed area. Step 4: select the location in your backyard. It should be partially shaded, with not much direct sunlight. Quick tip: call the gas and electric companies before you dig. Also check with your local building department to find out if permits are needed. Step 5: research your options to determine what type of waterfall will best fit the scale of your yard. Look at photos and visit garden centers to see the possibilities.